Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. Thank you for being here. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, I'm glad to have you back again.
I love Forever Young products. I purchased the carousel for the Forever Young trays. I love this carousel. I had these trays. I had this all kitted up and it was in the Forever Young boxes, and those boxes were very heavy. I dreaded having to use different boxes. Each of these comes off this little basket here on top that has the little edges to connect all of these together. This comes out, and see, we have 4 of them. And from what I understand, looking at the website last night, I purchased another one of these, and they'll come with the empty containers. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80 on a carousel. I think if you use a discount code, you can get 10% off. What I just picked up, you can purchase those without the trays in them, and I'm going to do that. But right now, the color that I want is sold out. So I think you can only get red or marble right now. And I definitely want white or cream. I think it was cream that I saw. But anyway, that's Forever Young Carousel, and I absolutely love it. I have a new product. These are Forever Young mesh rulers for diamond painting, and it comes with 9 pieces. So if you have trouble lining up your drills, this may be something you want to consider. I must say, when I was using my pen, my Diamond Art Club pen with my putty, you can only place 2 at a time. So I thought, is it worth my time? Will it save time? I still do not know. But when you go to place the 2 down, one pops up because it's curved, these edges, so it's much easier to do 1 at a time. So if you are a single placer and you love to single place, these are great rulers. I'm not a single placer. I prefer multi-placing. I also have a Picmondo machine, e-painter with the vacuum, and I purchased this custom pen from Donna Bass. They did a great job. This is a very light pen. And then I purchased these tips. It does 2 off Amazon. There are 2. So I'm going to turn this on, and I found it to be much easier to place drills by 2 into the mesh. I can do 1 or 2 with the Picmondo. So right now I'm placing 2 drills at a time. But I was just thinking about a friend that I know who does not want to buy or do square drills or canvases because of the frustration of getting the squares to line up. So I thought, well, maybe if I do this video, she will see it and purchase them. They did not cost much. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon.
Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you so much. If you're enjoying these videos, please click like and subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel grow. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.